What's up guys? In this video I'm going to go over how you can fix the Premiere Pro audio lag problem. So if you find once you export your videos the audio is not matching the video itself, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that, so keep watching. So I already have a video on how to fix this problem, but I started running into new problems because those are always great. And I noticed that Handbrake was resizing my videos and I had slides on my videos and it was cutting out the top part of the slide and I couldn't figure out why. And I also noticed that a lot of the online advice on how to fix that problem was outdated as well. So I'm going to cover both problems, but I want to talk about the audio lag issue first. So what you want to do is download a free program called Handbrake on your computer. It's completely free to use. And what you're going to do is once you export your video out of Premiere Pro, what you're going to do is you're going to upload the file into this program called Handbrake. So what you're going to do is click on this open source program, and then that's going to allow you to select the file type that you want to fix the audio lag on. And so you're going to click on that and then you're going to upload the video. So I've already done that here. And so something like this is going to pop up. In order to fix the audio lag problem, what you're going to do is click on video here and you're going to click on constant frame rate. And so 30 frame rates should be fine. So how it's already going to be set up should be just fine for your purposes. And if that's your only problem, what you're going to do is you're going to click start. You also want to select where you want your file to export to as well, and you can just click on the browse button here. But that's all you need to do to export your video. If you are noticing that the dimensions are getting messed up when you go to export, like I was, what you're gonna do instead is you're gonna click on dimensions. And so this video that I selected is already in the appropriate dimensions, so it's not gonna show up here. But if your video is not in the appropriate dimensions, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click custom and you're gonna make sure each of these numbers is set to 0. If it's changing your dimensions, these numbers will not be 0, and so that's why you need to reset it. And then you're going to put it in the appropriate file size. For example, if you're wanting to export a video on YouTube like I do all the time, then you need to make sure your export size is 1920 by 1080, and that should fix the problem. And in order to confirm this, what you're gonna do is click on summary, and you're gonna notice where it says size here, it's gonna give you the appropriate dimensions. So that's just a way you can confirm that Handbrake is exporting in the proper dimensions, because that was a second infuriating problem that I don't want you guys to deal with either. So that's all there is to using Handbrake. So I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.